Migrating Alchemy SDK installation is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, it is essential to understand what Alchemy SDK is and its purpose. Alchemy SDK is a set of tools and libraries that enable developers to build, deploy, and manage blockchain applications. The first step in migrating Alchemy SDK installation is to prepare your environment. This involves checking the system requirements and ensuring that your machine meets the necessary specifications. You should also have a basic understanding of blockchain development and the Alchemy platform. Next, you need to install the new version of the Alchemy SDK. This can be done using a package manager such as npm or yarn. Simply run the installation command and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installing the new version of the Alchemy SDK, you need to update your project dependencies. This involves updating your package.json file to point to the new version of the SDK. You can do this by running a command to update the dependencies. The next step is to update your code to be compatible with the new version of the Alchemy SDK. This may involve updating function calls, data structures, and other code elements. You should refer to the Alchemy SDK documentation for guidance on what changes are required. Once you have updated your code, you need to test your application to ensure that it is working correctly. This involves running tests and verifying that the application is functioning as expected. Finally, you should monitor your application after the migration to ensure that it continues to work correctly. This involves checking for errors, monitoring performance, and making any necessary adjustments. Best practices for migrating Alchemy SDK installation include testing thoroughly, monitoring performance, and following the documentation. It is also essential to have a backup of your project before making any changes. In summary, migrating Alchemy SDK installation involves preparing your environment, installing the new version of the SDK, updating dependencies, updating code, testing, and monitoring. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful migration and take advantage of the latest features and improvements in the Alchemy SDK.